channel, y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess, and today I am bringing you all a beautiful DIY. It's going to be a 3-tiered tray. It's going to be a Chanel tray. I haven't made anything Chanel in so long, but someone asked me to do it, so I'm going to do it. So we're going to use 3 different sizes of mirrors. I didn't have a 10-inch, so I'm using an 8-inch. This is a 14 and 12. So I'm going to use this beautiful candle holder that I purchased from Ross, and it was only $7.99, y'all. I'm using a Lazy Susan. It's the 12-inch. I'm using these beautiful pieces. These are some rhinestone pieces that I got from Amazon. So I'm going to use these. We're going to use some clear glue, a brush, scissors, and we're going to use the Chanel, it's not a sticker, but I'm going to make it into, it's going to stick on the tray, basically. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our bigger tray to put our, oh, I'm sorry, y'all. We're going to use this crystal diamond wrap. So all I'm going to do is line the outside of the circle with the crystal diamond wrap. Okay, glamorous people, look how our beautiful tray turned out, y'all. It is so gorgeous. I love it, y'all. It is so glam. Look at those gems, y'all. These are like some crushed diamond gems. They are so pretty, y'all. So if you all like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.